So before this video gets started, if you're interested in signing up for Instacart, if you want to make $20, $30, sometimes even $40 per hour shopping for groceries, now is the time to do it. I'm gonna leave my link in the description down below so you can get your guarantee of up to $800, guys. So use my link in the description down below and you can sign up to start doing grocery delivery. It's a great way to make money. It's fun, it's easy, and you will start making a lot of money with it. So again, use my link in the description down below to sign up for Instacart. Now let's get on to the video. Alright, what's up everyone? How's it going? Welcome back to my channel, the Rideshare Hub. How's it going, everyone? I hope everyone is doing really good. Yeah, I'm just hanging out, chilling here in quarantine. We're all in lockdown together, or if you are not, maybe you're going out and doing some Instacart, food delivery, Uber or Lyft. Maybe you're doing survey junkie, maybe you're, yeah, maybe, I don't know, whatever you're doing to make some extra money. I'm personally doing the survey junkie, so if you want to do that, link in description. But other than that, guys, today we're talking about Instacart bots. I haven't actually touched on this, and I've been a little bit quiet because it is a pretty controversial topic, but I want to weigh in and just give you guys the rundown, the lowdown. I've been talking to a lot of Instacart people about it. I've been talking to Steph On The Pedal. I've been talking to, while I watched Chris from Real Rideshare Stories, he chatted about it as well. I watched Dustin's Driving's take on it. He did have Chris on there as well, I believe. But yeah, guys, anyways, so today I'm gonna just give you guys the rundown. What's going on with the freaking Instacart bots? And how the heck does a company like Instacart get hacked? So anyways, if you wanna sign up for Instacart, again, use the link in the description down below to get your guarantee of up to $1,000, guys. Literally, Instacart's booming right now, so hop on. But yeah, let's hop right in. So guys, first of all, Instacart, if you guys don't know this app, it's called Crunchbase. Basically, it evaluates companies, right? So let's look at Instacart on Crunchbase. Crunchbase is like a technology site. Look at this. So Instacart has gotten almost $2 billion worth of funding. You can see all the data on here. It's a delivery service, blah, blah, blah. It has 5,000 to 10,000 employees. It's a unicorn, so it's worth over $1 billion, right? And I do want to just check really quick, does it actually have a public stock price? Because we're gonna get into it in a second, but this is good to know. This is good data to know as well, just to see if Instacart is a publicly traded company, right? So let's just see, here we go. Instacart, I don't really do too much. Yeah, so Instacart is not a publicly traded company, but regardless, yeah, it's Series F, so it's gotten like several rounds of funding. Series F, Series E, I mean, yeah, it has a lot of rounding of funding, but a company with 10,000 employees should not get hacked like this. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, just so you guys know. But like, what exactly is going on with Instacart? Apparently, allegedly, and I think it actually has been confirmed by people who do work at Instacart, is that it got hacked. There's a company that basically they created this app or whatever, this service that anytime a really good batch goes, it takes that batch and then it sells the batch to people. Like really high, I'm talking about like $75 batches, because right now, what happens is when you're doing Instacart, a lot of times people will leave really big tips. $50 tips, $60 tips, $70 tips, or they will order a lot of food. Why? Because, you know, people are shopping for the whole friends and family and stuff. So with that being said, what does it mean? Why is the company stealing batches? Well, they basically figured out that, I mean, maybe I could just go into my app here as well. I don't want to show you guys my location, so anyways, I can just show in here. When you go into my Instacart shopper app, don't show my location. Okay, good. So if you go to dashboard, batches, there's no batches available right now. Batches will show up here. Yeah, so basically right now, with It's 8 p.m. so it's getting a little bit late. But I don't know, maybe the bots already took all the batches. But essentially what happens is that a bunch of batches come in all the time. It used to be 5, now they upgraded to 10 batches at a given time. And there's gonna be a series of batches, and a lot of them will hang out there for, 5-10 minutes, the bad ones, and then the good ones will get taken up right away. Why? Because the good ones are usually people who leave really big tips, and they have low item numbers, so it's a quick order, but you get paid a lot. Those ones get taken really fast. Obviously, if you're an Instacart shopper, you're gonna take a batch where you get 75 bucks, and it's only gonna take you 40 minutes versus one where you get 20 bucks and it's gonna take you an hour or an hour and a half. You know what I mean? So basically this bot company decided, well, oh, there's a really huge demand and people are leaving super big tips. What if we can basically scrounge up all the big batches and then sell them? So let's just look up Instacart Bots. Yeah, so here we go, guys. Instacart Bots. There are so many things. Here, this is an article by TechCrunch, guys. TechCrunch is super legit. Instacart has a problem with third-party apps letting shoppers pay for early access to orders. Yeah. So I don't know if this is technically illegal. I think it is. I think it is illegal to sell batches. That's just like kind of weird. Cara Carmichael has been an Instacart shopper for years in Orlando, Florida. It's how she's been able to support her family, she told TechCrunch. But she says she has noticed an increase in third-party bot activity that's made shopping nearly impossible. There was also a while where it would show zero. Here, let me just show you. It would show 0 like items and 0 units. I know this girl. She's called Dimples on Demand. She posted on here. Yeah, look at this, $227 order. It's crazy. She posted this one screenshot where it said 0 items or something. I want to see if I can show you guys really quickly. She posts a lot. Oh, what'd she say about this one? Delivered to door, I'll tip in cash. Her tip to me was, be safe. Oh my gosh. So they didn't tip. Yeah, be wary of those guys. 381 bucks. Oh, that's not a single batch. I couldn't find, maybe she deleted it actually. Because she did post something on here that said, do you guys see any problem with this? And it said 0 items, 1 batch or something. Maybe she did delete it. Huh. Yeah, I cannot find it here. Interesting. If you're watching this, oh, here we go. She goes, look at this. Yeah, this is a very common problem that we see. It says 0 items, 1 unit. Obviously that's a mistake. But let's go back to TechCrunch. So they say they grab the batches within a blink of an eye. I can barely see the amounts offered. Sometimes I may even just receive a notification because the batch has been taken before it was even registered in my app. Ninja Hours appeared on the scene about a year ago in the Little Havana community in Miami. An Instacart shopper with experience using Ninja Hours. Shoppers could pay Ninja Hours about 25 to 35 bucks a week to get access to hours for the following week, and in exchange, Ninja Hours would take over the shopper's app to claim hours on their behalf. So there you go, guys. This app is actually a pretty general app, and you can reserve hours now with it. So let's actually see if you can download this app, or how do you even get access to it. I'm actually kind of curious. Obviously, I'm not going to pay for it, but maybe it got shut down. For 200 bucks, undocumented immigrants could pay Ninja Hours to create an account for them so they could shop. Wow. The site would go offline for a week and then they would send you a text message, he said. It was always written in Spanish. All other shoppers didn't seem to notice this was going on because Sue Shopper would claim the orders before they would even appear. There's definitely still a service out here because I'm not getting anything at all. Yeah, so it doesn't sound like, yeah, this is how fast they're going. They're going really quickly, not fast. It's so mainstream now and it seems just about everywhere is having a problem. The safety and security of the entire Instacart community is our top priority, and Instacart person said, we have several robust security measures in place to ensure the security of the Instacart platform. Again, guys, look at this. Oh, I deleted it, but Instacart TechCrunch, or Instacart Crunchbase. They have several security things in measure. What do you see here? $2 billion in funding and 5,000 to 10,000 employees. And they can't handle this little thing? Like, it seems like they could just, why can't they just block access to them? It sounds pretty nuts to me. My thumbs are sore and eyes are strained. I've only managed to grab 4 orders. My livelihood is literally being snatched out from beneath me. Honestly, this is crazy news, guys. I'm gonna keep you guys updated, but for now, it's crazy, guys. Honestly, maybe think about other options, but it should be fixed hopefully within the month. But yeah, thank you guys for watching today's video. I will talk to y'all soon. Have a great day. Bye, guys.